let's move to the next question then. Okay, the next question was simple. Um, but the mistake that you guys have made, though I was planning to give you 0 mark for this one. I was actually planning to give you 0 marks for this. Now, what you have done, it's clearly written in the instructions that you have to use the letter. Letter mean A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever is required. And what students have done, they have written the name of that organelle, which is not required in the answer. So it's written clearly in the instructions that you have to write only one letter in each box, not a word. But that letter can be used again. Okay, you can write F in two boxes. It's perfectly alright, but you have to use letters, not the words. Clear? So this is the common mistake that students usually make, and it will result in 0 marks. So keep this thing in mind. Okay. Number one, let's just first of all label them. This F is nucleus, G is cell membrane, H is cytoplasm, J is cell wall, K is vacuole, and this L is chloroplast. Okay, now we have to tell the letters for each of the function what is written. Control the movement of substance in and out of the cell. What controls the movement, cell membrane or cell wall? What is half partially permeable? Cell membrane is partially permeable while cell wall is fully permeable. So cell membrane is controlling what is entering in the cell. Okay, so our answer would be G. Then what exerts a pressure to help maintain the shape of cell? Like what makes it turgid? That is vacuole, right? So it would be K. What produces sugar using light? That would be chloroplast, L. What withstand the pressure of the cell? Now it doesn't allow the cell to burst. It's withstanding the pressure. It's bearing the pressure. So it would be cell wall, right? And what controls the activities? Nucleus. Good. So you have to solve it like this. Okay. Okay, now the magnification is given. Why you guys have, Ata, I guess you also have left the magnification question. Is it so? I guess you have. You don't remember, but I think you have skipped this question. Easy marks, very easy marks. Now, what you need to do, you need to use a scale, right? With the help of scale, you have to calculate the length from here till here. Okay. Now, if your scale is in centimeter, you have to multiply that number with 10. So for example, if it is 5, if it's 5 centimeter, then for millimeter it would be 50 millimeter. Okay. Now the formula for the actual size would be equal to, actual size would be equal to, oh sorry, we have to calculate the magnification. Sorry. Magnification is equal to, good, image size over actual size. Okay, the image size is for example 50 centimeter millimeter, sorry, and the actual size is 0.01 millimeter. So whatever your answer is, that would be your magnification. Okay, Haja, who's cramming behind you? So you muted yourself. Okay, now a diagram is given for a bacteria. Now what you need to do, you need to tell the differences between a bacteria and a plant cell. And the diagram of plant cell is already given in the question. Okay, both diagrams are given. Plant cell is also given and animal cell is also given. You have to compare these two, like what is the difference in the structure. The very first difference is that, okay, the plant cell has, good, good, or if we want to be more specific, we have to use the word, the plant cell has membrane bounded nucleus. Okay, that makes us different. Number two, plant cell has chloroplast. Okay, that's why it's making it photosynthesizing. So we have to use the words which are given in the question. We have to be smart. So getting an A star is not about the knowledge that you have, that you have. It's about how you solve the question. You need to be smart. You need to get the words from the question. You need to get the information from the question. Okay? Okay, number 3. It would be considered correct, but I would recommend if you are like differentiating it with the one which do not have membrane bounded nucleus, then you have to mention this term. Okay, then look, the big vacuole is missing, right? Big vacuole is present in plant cell because they have asked us about the plant cell. They have clearly written state 4 features present in photosynthesizing plant cell. So we have to give priority to plant cell. We cannot write flagella over here because we have to give reference or give preference to this plant cell. So what else is present over here which is not over there? Cell, it's present. What else can you like say from this diagram? Look at the diagram and then tell. A vacuole is there, chloroplast is there, nucleus is there. What can be written? I'll tell you one more thing. The membrane bounded organelles. Okay? What is absent? Membrane bounded organelles. The mitochondria, okay? The um, other endoplasmic reticulum type. These things are not present. Okay? Got it? Okay. Next part of this question. Uh, okay. Okay. So this bacterium has flagella. State the function of the flagella. The movement. Good. Why is leaf described as an organ? What is the definition of organ? That organ, because leaf is made up of different tissues, right? That work together to perform a specific function. Different tissues that work together to perform a specific function, right? Uh, Now you can also mention what type of tissues are present, like the vascular bundle, the vascular tissue, the xylem and phloem, right? The palisade tissue. So these are the different type of tissues that are present. Clear? Name the tissue that transport mineral ions. That would be xylem. How root hair cells are adapted to absorb ions? Number one, you have to tell the adaptation in the structure. Number one, they are long extensions. They are thin, right? What else? They have large surface area. Okay, so these three are the adaptations because in this question the function is not being asked. Adaptation mean what is present in the structure that make them suitable to perform a certain function. Okay. uh why? Because it's present in all plant cells. We have to tell related to the root hair cell only now. Okay, I'm telling you, you need to be like not to you only, it's for every student that for solving or for attempting the bio exam you need to be smart. You need to just you need to uh, read the examiner mind, what's in their mind. Don't act like student, act like examiner. What are they expecting from you? Okay, try to be examiner. Okay, if I am the one who's giving this question, what should be I demanding from my students? Okay, done. Okay. So, okay, the magnification is given and the image and the width of human blood cell. Okay, this one is given the image size. Now you have to tell the actual size. So actual size is equal to image size. Good. Image size over magnification. So our image size is 3.08, right? And you have to show the work. Please, please, you have to show your work. Okay. And then our magnification is 400. Okay, when we divide it, what would be our answer? Do you have calculator with you guys? Okay, let me then. I'll do it for you. Um, 3.08 divided by 400. Answer is 0.0077 millimeter. Is how is the fungal cell wall different from the plant cell wall? Okay, this answer must you must know that the fungal cell wall is made up of chitin, while the plant cell is made up of cellulose. Okay, so this is all